Well, it's all here from Japan. My Christmas toys for my little car over there. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. So I got myself a new belt for the AC and the alternator. Mine had a little crack in it. I might as well replace them because why not? I'm doing all this other stuff anyways. I bought all these little gaskets to have as spares. Some seals, gaskets, all that good stuff. Nothing in the box now. New sway bar bushings. These seem to be the end-link bushings. Cool. Oh! Forget what this is, but seems useful. Some crankshaft seals. And a bunch of little washers. Okay, this is my loot from Megazip. I probably shouldn't have thrown the box away because now I have nothing to put this. This here is the main attraction. This is why we've gathered here today around our little computers or our phones, looking through the screens to see what I got here. This is why we are here. Ever since I ordered this, I've been super excited to get it. Hope it all comes out okay and survive the trip here and is of actual decent quality. This isn't working. Alright, that little knife wasn't working. Maybe this will work. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's see what we got. This is a custom-made box, so that was a little bit difficult to open. Alright. Got my little bag to rip open. What we've been all waiting for. Strut mounts. A lot of strut mounts. This is what we wanted. Yeah! Nah. Just kidding. This is what we were waiting for. Brand new 11-piece silicone hose kit. I wanted to put this off, but I actually have a coolant leak and it's kind of seeping and it's kind of annoying. So I splurged and got myself the 11-piece kit. So my next video will probably be doing the coolant. We can go over how to drain the coolant, install these new hoses, where they all go, and I don't know, and fill it back up with coolant. Yeah, that seems like a radical idea. All right, that's it for today, right? No, they wouldn't ship those two little things in such a big box. All right, for the real main event, making a mess everywhere with this packing. Oh, check out this bad boy. You don't know what this is? This is what this is. Wow. I mean, it's not fitting very well with the bubble wrap on it. Let me bring you closer. As you can see here, with bubble wrap, fitment is poor. Let me take the bubble wrap off to see if it's any better. I recently saw somebody's review on this, and it actually spooked me that it's kind of cheap in quality. It is kind of shoddy, I guess, but it seems okay. I'm sure a good body shop can polish this up and paint it as needed. Alright, now how does this thing actually go on the car? Ooh. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Here it is. It's about halfway up the window. It seems to fit okay. Fitment wasn't a problem. I don't know how they made this. It seems to be a replica of the Mazda Speed spoiler, and I got this from Yahoo Auctions. I'll show you the other side too. Everything seems to be okay. So there's like this. It's not perfectly smooth right here. You can feel the ridge, but maybe a little quick sanding right here will fix that. I don't know anything about bodywork, so I don't know how much work is actually required to like polish this or sand and prime this stuff. It's pretty smooth. Overall, seems to be pretty good. It's just at these seams here, it's a little bit, some spots have a little bit of a ridge that can probably be knocked down with a quick hit with some sandpaper. I like it. I bet I'll like it even more when it's actually paint matched red. So if you're wondering what something like this costs, prepare to be shocked. Maybe. So this thing is about $200 American, and after paying like your broker fee or whatever, say it's like $35. And okay, so you're thinking not a bad deal. 235 bucks, 250 bucks, okay. Ship this to America. I am in Massachusetts, if you haven't noticed. With shipping, I had chosen DHL. The thing showed up super quick. It was shipped Christmas night in Japan, and today is Monday the 28th. I got it at 9:30 a.m. today. So that was excellent. But shipping price, $320 US. Kind of steep, right? This thing cost me about 500 bucks and it's still not painted and mounted. Oh. But I like it so much. It should be worth it. I hope it's worth it. Well, since I was ordering such a huge item and I was expecting to have such a large package sent to me, I decided to order the other items like the hose kit and the strut mounts, like whatever little things I wanted to get, since I was eventually going to buy those things. And if I bought them separately, I'd have to pay another chunk of money for shipping. I mean, shipping was probably going to be like $40-50 for those other items, but why pay another 40-50 items a little bit later if I could just have the shipper pack everything together just to fill in this void right here in the package. Smart, right? Spending money I don't have now to save money I might have later. Yeah, something like that. All right, see you later. Oh, almost forgot. I figured I'd probably just show you guys what it looks like in here. There it is. It doesn't really block my view. Sure, there's now an object there that wasn't there before, but yeah, that's fine.